Hello, my name is Emma Campbell and I am the Maintenance Administrator at SGL in Muir of Ord in Scotland for the business unit Carbon Fibres. Working in maintenance brings both challenges and rewards. Things can change quickly day to day, but it's really rewarding to be able to work with colleagues across all departments and across other sites to overcome these challenges and to make our process better. What do I like most about my job? I enjoy the everyday challenges, and I enjoy the fact that I then get the teamwork aspect to find solutions and to make our processes better. But for me, the number one thing I love about my job is got to be the work-life balance. As a working parent, it's obviously got to be my number one priority, and I feel that I have found a company that is very supportive of this. Employers and staff have had to adapt how they work in the last couple of years, and I believe here at SGL that we have adapted not only to short-term solutions around work-life balance, but we've made positive, permanent changes in the way that we work, which will support working families.